Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to do a luxury wish list for you guys. It's my summer 2021 luxury wish list, and I know every time I upload these videos they're always so popular. I appreciate your support so much because I know that you guys really entrust me with your luxury recommendations, and I promise today I am not going to disappoint. Today I decided that I would share another retailer with you guys that I have been loving recently, and it is Moda Operandi. This video is in no way sponsored by them, although I wish it was, but it's not. However, I love their stuff. I think that they have such a great selection. They almost rival Net-a-Porter in terms of their selection, but I think you can find different items on both websites, and I really love browsing their website. So I figured today I would go through some luxury items that I think are amazing, that you should definitely keep an eye out for, especially if you want to revamp your summer wardrobe, and especially if you love luxury. I have tried to keep the price point a little bit more affordable. So there are some items that are over $1,000. However, there are some items that are about $150 to $500. So there is a range for everybody. Also, I'm loving this top. It's a tank top, can you believe it? It's from Anina Bing, and it is amazing. And I will link it for you guys below as well because I feel like every woman needs this top. I will buy every single color that comes out in this top. I think it comes in a brown too, but girl, I mean, I've just been wearing this at home today and I'm already feeling like, who am I? I'm like a whole other person in this top, you know what I mean? But everything is going to be listed in the info box down below if you choose to shop. And without further ado, let me tell you what's on my summer 2021 wish list. I'm going to start off with two pairs of shoes, which technically are not on my wish list because I actually bought them, and I'm waiting for them to come in the mail, and I promise I will do a full review of them when they come in the mail, but I wanted to share them with you just in case because I noticed since I've bought them they are selling out. So the first ones I wanted to talk to you guys about are these dot sandals. These are so cute. First of all, never thought I would fall in love with a thong trend again. I was like, I don't know, thong sandals, like I don't think they're my vibe. But when I saw these, I was like, these ones are for sure my vibe because they are so beautiful. I love the whole texture thing that's going on the sandal with the leather and the metal. It's just so sexy. Of course, it's Bottega, so they are doing the whole like woven pattern on it, and it just looks so beautiful and elegant. And I think because it has such a small heel, I can wear this literally everywhere. I could wear this in the daytime, at night. You know that I like to do that with all of my clothing. I like to make sure that whatever I am buying is going to 100% translate from day to night, and these ones are seriously so good. They actually come in two colorways. One of them is like this lighter tan, the one that I got, and then a darker brown as well, which I was contemplating, but I figured the lighter tan against tan skin, maybe some white nail polish on my toes, would look really good for the summer. So those are the ones that I chose. Honestly, cannot wait to get my hands on them because Bottega shoes are probably the most comfortable designer shoe I have ever worn. By far, all of their shoes are ridiculously comfortable and they're just amazing. Okay, moving on. Next up are these stretch sandals. These again are such a timeless shoe. I love these. Even if they have a higher heel, I will buy Bottega shoes any day, anytime, because I have tried and tested them. I have another pair that I literally thought was so comfortable to wear. So I was like, okay, well, even if it's a higher heel with Bottega, I will buy them because I know that I will get a lot of use out of them because they're comfortable shoes. And I also love the strappy detailing on them with the chain. It's dainty, it's feminine, it's super sexy. I bought them in the white, but I know that they come in a mint green too, which I also was contemplating. But I don't know, I might switch it out, I might not. I need to see because right now the whole trend with mixing neutrals with some pops of color here and there is so hot. That's why I was kind of gravitating towards the mint. But if you're wanting to go for that kind of look and you like pastels, I think that mint is perfection. Although I just figured since this is an investment, I want to make sure that I want to get something that I'm going to wear a lot. So I figured I'm just going to go with the white, and I'm sure they're going to look beautiful. Of course, with tan skin, how could they not? So I'm going to move on to clothing now. This is the Zimmermann Postcard Floral Linen Bra Top. First of all, Zimmermann is by far one of my favorite designers from like years ago. I think I discovered them on Net-a-Porter, and then I went to their showroom in New York and LA, and I was hooked. And back then I was a college student, so there was no way in hell I could afford their clothing. I think I remember I saved up and bought my first Zimmermann set, and I still have it to this day because it's so timeless. I take it everywhere I go on my vacations because I always figure out a way to wear it. Honestly, it's lasted forever. The quality is amazing, and it's never gone out of style. It is just so beautiful and elegant and feminine, and which is why I'm sharing this with you. This is part of their new trunk collection on Moda Operandi, so it just came out, and it is stunning. I love the yellow and white floral patterns. You could wear this with either of the Bottega shoes. I think it's so cute. It actually comes with matching shorts as well, which is what I wanted to talk to you guys about next. These are the postcard crochet trimmed floral cotton shorts, and I think they are so cute. I love the detailing on them with the lace and the yellow. I think it looks so beautiful. Just the tan, yellow, and white. It's perfect for a summer day or even a summer night. You can take this on your island vacation, take you to Hawaii this summer. I hear Southwest is having an amazing deal right now. I think some of my friends found tickets for like $150 to Hawaii. Everything that I'm talking to you guys about, I think that it's my own wardrobe that I'm going to take with me on vacation. I hope I can give you some kind of inspiration as well. Next up is this Lula oversized cotton linen shirt. This is by a brand called Posse that I've not heard of. However, they are quite reasonably priced in the sense that I know it's a shirt, but it's $200. Don't get me wrong, it's an expensive shirt. However, I do think for a quality linen shirt that you can pretty much have in your wardrobe forever because there's no way it's going to go out of style, I think it's a great shirt. And I also think that linen is such a great investment for summer because you will probably be wearing it all summer long, especially if you're like me and live in Texas. I mean, I feel like we need really breathable fabrics that are practical as well, but also look really, really cute. Just like the models style this with some baggy linen shorts, I would definitely wear this look on vacation. You could also use this as a cover up at the beach if you're wearing your swimsuit. It's one of those things that you can just throw on and go. My wish is that I go to Greece this summer. Hopefully it's gonna happen, but we'll see. If I was to go, I would definitely take the shirt with me because I think that I would be able to use it so much because you can definitely style this different ways. So in the daytime, maybe you could wear it with white linen shorts, just kind of open with maybe your bikini top underneath and a straw hat. And then if you were to take it to nighttime, you could essentially wear the same bikini top, the shirt, and then tuck it into some linen pants with your Bottega thong sandals or just like black linen pants. I think that would look so good. This is the Soleil off the shoulder cotton blend crop top. This is so cute. Again, if you were to buy a pair of linen pants, ones that are fitted at the waist and then wide-legged and flowy, if you bought black linen pants and then paired it with this top, it would be so cute for the summertime with some gold bowl jewelry, maybe just have your hair up like I have right now. I mean, you're gonna be looking like $1 million in like 1 second with the least amount of effort, and that's always something that I strive for in my daily life because I like to not put in that much effort but then still look put together, which I feel like after your 30s that's kind of the goal, right? Because who has time for that? So I think you would love this top, and it's also not too overpriced, especially given that it's Jacques Mousse. Again, it's a statement piece, and I know that you're gonna have this in your wardrobe forever. Moving on to accessories, I always love finding accessories that are not going to break the bank, but they're high quality jewelry that you can repurpose again and again. And I found this brand on Moda, and it's called Wolf Circus. These are the Marta 14 karat gold plated earrings. These are so beautiful. Honestly, they are stunning. They're kind of like hoops, but not really. They kind of give you the same vibe, but a little bit more high design. They look super expensive, but I can't believe they're only $145. I think that they are a no-brainer because you can obviously style them so many ways. Honestly, I love it when this happens. I'm like so happy right now because this is how I found my favorite brand, Alighieri, which I'm going to be talking to you guys about next. Every single time I wear their jewelry, I get so many compliments because they are so unique. They almost look like they were handmade pieces. They are absolutely stunning and they do not break the bank. So this necklace that I wanted to talk to you guys about from Alighieri, it's the Minerva 24 karat gold plated necklace. And I love this because their jewelry is a really beautiful, vibrant gold, of course, because it's 24 carats. It's going to look super expensive. I love the chain detailing because it's modern, it's edgy, and then the little pendant. I think this is such a great item to have because you can essentially wear this all day. You don't need to take it off. It does not tarnish. Wear it to the beach, wear it to lunch, wear it wherever you want because it's not going to switch colors. It is really well made, and if you haven't checked out Alighieri jewelry, you absolutely need to because their pieces are so unique, and I know that you're going to love them as much as I do. Next up is another necklace from Circus. This is the Effie pearl gold filled necklace. I love this. It's so cute. It's $150, but it's such high design. It's got the chain on one side, pearls on the other. It's seriously so feminine and dainty. You could layer it with the Alighieri chain. Just wear it pretty much the entire time you're on vacation. It's a no-brainer. You don't need to take it off. I think it is so cute. No summer haul can be complete without sunnies, and these ones from Bottega are a super statement, but I think that they could look really cute. These are their aviator metal sunglasses, and I think they are so chic. I love the gold. I feel like the thin gold frame won't make it too in your face, but also statement at the same time. They are quite flashy, but why do you need to hide, right? I can see myself wearing these in Vegas, I don't know, at a pool party. Now I'm just like manifesting because I just need a vacation. But I think that these could look really cute. Again, if you're wearing even neutrals or the Zimmermann set, these could look super cute, and you will definitely look very expensive when you wear these. But I think if you're looking for a statement pair of sunglasses, or you love statement sunglasses that are super unique that not very many people will have, definitely check these out. That's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Everything is going to be linked in the info box down below if you choose to shop. If you have any suggestions of other videos I should make, leave them in the comments down below. Like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, comment. I love talking to you guys on these videos, and your support means the world to me, and I'll see you guys very soon with a brand new video. Take care.